In a world where AI is evolving faster than ever, power is no longer measured in size, but in intelligence. This is the DGX Spark, compact, minimal, but built to redefine local AI computing. Designed for creators, developers, and innovators, it brings data center-level capabilities right to your desk. Getting started is seamless. Power on, connect your display, and within moments, you're stepping into a new era of computing. No complex configurations, no unnecessary friction, just a clean, guided setup, built for speed and precision. Behind the scenes, the system prepares itself, optimizing, updating, getting ready to deliver its full potential. And then, the real magic begins. From a simple line of text to a fully generated image, executed locally in seconds. This isn't the future of AI. This is now. DGX Spark, AI accelerated.